Okay, this is my brand new 2010 Stolen Sinner BMX bike, Free Coaster edition. It's really light, I like it. Colors gray and light blue, as you can see. This is bike check for it. Back here is the Easy Street, the Stolen Easy Street Free Coaster. And it has stolen team tires with a blue stolen back rim. There is Tektro brakes, and work pretty good. 28 tooth stolen sprocket, comes with like every stock stolen bike. I like it a lot. I got Eastern Bikes PC pedals. They have a lot of grip. I like them a lot. And they're yellow. I got a Thermalite seat post and a black Stolen Center plastic seat, pivotal seat. I got the Stolen Bico Center frame. It comes with cyclone forks, and then the other stolen front rim with a stolen front hub, and the front stolen team wheel. Here you got the convict stem, It's really nice. I like it a lot. I got the Eastern money grips. Don't like them. Don't have enough grip. And then the stolen bar ends with the brakes. Tektro. And got the mob cranks. Pretty nice. I like them a lot. And this is my bike. You can see you can't even hear it. The Free Coaster. Really quiet. Yep, that's it.